Imagine waking up tomorrow and speaking English confidently, without fear, hesitation, or stress. Imagine walking outside, talking to people, ordering food, asking questions, and replying naturally, all in English that feels effortless. Sounds like a dream? Today we start that journey step by step, slowly, calmly, and practically. This is not a classroom. This is not a test. This is real-life English for beginners who want to speak daily, feel confident, and enjoy every small success. So sit back, relax, and let's begin your journey to fluent English, one slow sentence at a time. Learning English can feel overwhelming at first. Many beginners think that fluency comes from memorizing grammar rules, complex words, or long phrases. But the truth is simple. Real fluency comes from daily practice, repetition, and comfort with small sentences. Today, we will create a daily English routine that you can follow at home, outside, at work, or anywhere, gradually increasing your confidence and ability to speak naturally. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long sentences. You only need calm repetition, consistent listening, and daily speaking practice. Start your day slowly. Before you do anything, take a deep breath. Sit comfortably and feel the environment around you. You do not need to rush. English will follow your calm mind. Begin by waking up slowly and describing your morning in your head. I am waking up. I am stretching my arms. I feel refreshed. You can also speak these sentences aloud, softly, to practice pronunciation. As you move through your morning routine, brushing your teeth, washing your face, combing your hair, describe your actions in simple English sentences. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with water. I comb my hair gently. Doing this daily trains your mind to think in English naturally, without translating from your native language. Even small sentences, repeated daily, gradually build fluency and confidence. After you finish your morning routine, step outside. Real-life English practice begins here. Begin by observing the world around you. I see people walking. I hear cars passing. The sky is blue today. Speak these sentences softly to yourself. When you interact with others, keep your sentences simple and polite. Hello, how are you? Could you help me, please? These small conversations, repeated every day, create a foundation for real fluency. The goal is not speed. The goal is clarity and confidence. Your mind will slowly adjust to the natural speed of English spoken by others. You will no longer feel panicked or lost. At work or school, beginners often feel nervous. This is normal. The key is using short, clear sentences every day. Greet your colleagues politely. Good morning. How are you today? Ask questions calmly when you need help. Could you explain this again, please? When sharing your ideas, keep sentences simple. I think this will work. I agree with you. Can we try this? Take short breaks, drink water, and repeat sentences in your mind to practice fluency. Over time, these small actions become habits. Your brain begins to process English naturally, reducing fear and increasing confidence. Daily conversations outside home provide another opportunity to practice. On the street, at a shop, or on public transport, try using small sentences you already know. Excuse me, please. Thank you very much. Can you help me? Even if the other person speaks quickly, stay calm. Focus on understanding the main idea. Respond slowly, clearly, and politely. Your brain will gradually adjust to real-life English speed. This is how beginners develop natural fluency. Evening time is perfect for reflection and practice. Walk home slowly, noticing your surroundings. Describe your day in English. I walked to the store. I bought vegetables. I enjoyed my coffee. Speak aloud or in your mind. At home, continue describing your actions. I am cooking dinner. I am washing dishes. I am cleaning the table. Small daily descriptions help your mind think in English automatically, making fluency a natural outcome of repeated practice. Nighttime reflection is important. Sit quietly and review the day's sentences. Speak them softly, repeat, and visualize yourself using them tomorrow. I spoke English today. I understood many words. I felt confident speaking slowly. Fluency is built step by step. Consistency matters more than speed. Small daily practice creates lasting progress. Remember, mistakes are normal. Pausing is normal. Speaking slowly is natural. Confidence grows when pressure disappears. Your mind will slowly adjust. English will stop feeling foreign. You will start noticing patterns, repeating sentences naturally, and responding without fear. Even when someone speaks quickly, your brain will pick up key ideas, and you will answer calmly. Real English is not about perfect grammar. It is about understanding, being understood, and feeling confident. Every small sentence matters. Every small success builds fluency. Through daily speaking, your confidence grows quietly. You will begin thinking in English, describing your actions naturally, and interacting with others calmly. You will notice that mistakes do not make you weak, they make you practice more. Silence is not failure, it is thinking. Every small repetition strengthens your fluency and makes speaking English more natural. Over weeks, you will notice real change. Simple sentences will flow naturally. Your confidence will grow in shops, workplaces, and casual conversations. Your brain will understand faster, your tongue will respond smoother, and fear will decrease. Daily practice transforms English from a test into a tool for communication. Every small success is progress. The journey continues. Fluency is not an instant destination. It is the process of slow, daily, mindful practice. Each day, listen, repeat, speak, and think in English. Step outside, interact with people, describe your day, share your ideas. Over time, even fast English will feel manageable. You will feel proud of every sentence, every interaction, and every small step. Your fluency becomes effortless, your mind relaxed, and your confidence unshakable. Remember, slow daily practice is the key. Small sentences repeated consistently are better than long, stressful lessons. Celebrate small victories. English becomes familiar, comfortable, and natural. With patience, daily effort, and gentle repetition, you will speak English confidently every day. Your brain will adjust, your mind will relax, and your fluency will grow. This is your journey. Begin today. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Repeat daily. Fluency is not about speed. It is about calm, consistent practice. Each small step takes you closer to confident, natural English. Every day is progress. Every sentence counts. Every repetition builds your fluency. And gradually you will realize English is no longer a challenge. It is a part of your life. Learning English can feel like walking through a maze for beginners. Many times I found myself hearing simple words, but my brain couldn't respond fast enough. I would see people talking naturally and fluently, and inside I felt confused. But one thing I realized was that fluency is not about speed. It is about comfort, repetition, and presence. Every day I decided to practice small sentences slowly and gradually. My mind started adjusting. Imagine starting your day in your room. I wake up and stretch my arms slowly. I notice the sunlight on my bed. I breathe deeply and tell myself, today I will try to speak one sentence in English outside. I pick up my toothbrush and practice aloud. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face. I feel fresh and ready. These sentences may seem small, but they train the brain to think in English naturally. I start naming objects in my room. The door is brown. The chair is soft. The window is open. I even describe feelings. I feel calm. I feel ready for today. I am learning slowly. Small daily actions like this build confidence without pressure. When I step outside, real English practice begins. I walk slowly, notice the birds, the cars, and the people. I greet a neighbour, "Good morning," and listen to their response calmly. At first I didn't understand everything, words felt fast, but I learned to focus on the main idea. Listen, repeat, respond slowly became my mantra. Even when someone asked me a question I didn't know immediately, I learned to take a deep breath, pause, and reply politely. "Could you repeat that, please?" Over weeks, these small interactions began to feel normal, and I realized that fluency grows from calm, consistent daily practice. At a small cafe, I faced my first real challenge. The cashier asked me a question quickly. I froze for a moment. My mind raced. I know the words, but I can't reply fast. Then I remembered my practice. Breathe, repeat, respond slowly. I said, "I would like a coffee, please." My voice shook slightly, but I smiled. The cashier replied normally. No one judged me. That moment taught me something powerful. English is not about perfection. It is about being present and clear. Work or school brings more challenges. I practiced short sentences daily. "Can you help me with this?" "I am ready to start." "I understand this part, but not that." Small sentences repeated every day gave me confidence. I also started observing how people spoke naturally, not only words but tone, timing, and pauses. I realized that listening carefully is as important as speaking. My inner dialogue also improved. It's okay to pause. I can repeat slowly, "I will speak tomorrow if I miss today." Evening routines became a key moment for practice. Walking home, I described everything aloud. I walked past the park. The street is quiet. I saw a blue car. I even practiced imaginary conversations. "Excuse me, could you help me?" "Thank you for your help." "Hello, how are you today?" These imaginary interactions prepared me for real life. My brain started noticing English in daily life everywhere, on the bus, at the shops, and even in casual small talk. Nighttime reflection is important. I reviewed the day and repeated the sentences I practiced. I imagined tomorrow's situations. Slowly I realized that fluency is like a river. It shapes you gradually. Some days were difficult, some days easy, but every day added to my progress. Mistakes weren't failures, they were lessons. Pauses weren't weakness, they were opportunities to think. Confidence came slowly, quietly, and naturally. After weeks of practice, real change happened. I could ask questions without fear, answer simply, and even start small conversations with strangers. I noticed that English stopped feeling like a challenge. My thoughts became calmer. I could respond without translating from my native language. Fluency became a habit, not a test. I realized that small, repeated daily steps were more effective than long, stressful English lessons. Every sentence, every interaction, every repetition built fluency naturally.